There is an amazing new community in the Odessa area. My name is Jillian Jamison and I'm with the Jamison team at Likely Real Estate. The Preserve by DR Horton is located right off State Road 54 in the Veterans Expressway. Today we're going to be touring their Hemingway floor plan, which has 2934 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a 2-car garage. The current base price is $344,990. The Hemingway floor plan is one of their premium home plans, so you get some nice upgrades, including stainless steel appliances, granite in the bathrooms, and more. One of my favorite things about this neighborhood is that they built the entire home with block construction, and this is for every home in this community. It's actually pretty common in this area for 2-story homes to be built with wood construction on the 2nd floor. DR Horton built both the 1st and 2nd floor with block construction, so that's an amazing upgrade. Let's go check out the Hemingway floor plan. So this is the entryway here. The first thing I notice is the beautiful woodwork on this entryway hallway. Just gives it a lot of character. And then over here to the right, this is a nice flex area. You can see they have it set up as a study. And then as we continue on, this is the open living area and kitchen. They put in an absolutely beautiful kitchen into this home. Nice gray cabinets with granite countertops. These are shaker style cabinets. And this model home has stainless steel appliances. And then they also have this butler pantry right here, which connects to the flex space up at the front. And then they also have a nice size regular pantry here. And then they have this dining room space, which is nice because it could be used as both formal or more of an eat-in kitchen, whichever you prefer. And it's open to this nice size living room. There's a ton of light in this home. They have a lot of windows on this back wall and a triple slider. And then they put in this beautiful stonework in the living room as well. This is one of the secondary bedrooms down here. Perfect for a guest room. And then this is the secondary bathroom with a walk-in shower. That's the entryway to the garage. And then this is a nice size storage closet that's underneath the stairs. Upstairs you will find the master bedroom. This is a nice sized room. And then here is the ensuite master bath. Has double sinks, and they carried that same gray cabinet up here as well. You also have a garden tub and a walk-in shower on this model. And then a humongous walk-in closet. This is a closet to die for. So this space here is a large bonus room loft area at the top of the stairs outside of the master bedroom. This space is large. There's a lot of potential. You could do a lot in this room. And then they also have a nice size storage closet. This floor plan is very good if you need a lot of storage space. Over on this side of the home, this is where all of the secondary bedrooms will be. So as you can see, this is one of the secondary bedrooms. Another one. This is the bathroom that the bedrooms share. And they have a shower tub combination. And then this is the last secondary bedroom here. And then over here is the laundry room, and you can see they have a laundry sink in this room, which is nice. This is the backyard space for the Hemingway. These homes are built on their 50-foot wide by 120-foot deep lots. And as you can see, they have a nice covered patio area. And this can just give you an idea of the yard size. I really hope you enjoyed the tour of this model home. If I can answer any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out. My name is Jillian Jamison, and I'm with the Jamison team at Lively Real Estate, and I am opening the door to your next home. Have a great day.